Here we go, ladies and gentlemen. 17 to 18 years old. Here we go. Nagkahiwa-hiwalay na po doon sa kanto. Racers 20 to 29. Peter Estrada Jr., Emil Carlos Silvestre, Kenneth Ashley Cruz, Vincent J. Gopalia. Please proceed to the starting line right now. We have a breakaway. Coming towards the stretch. One down, 3 to go. Lagyan nyo ng puso! Puso pa! Puso pa! Kaya mo pa yan! Laban! Pilipinas! Yan ang ating kabataan! Nasang lumalaban dito po sa Marawang City Bike Festival. Romo! Puso! Puso! Kaya pa, kaya pa. Abel! Kailangan ng puso, kaya lang! Here we go, ladies and gentlemen. Looks like we have a breakaway. Ito na kami. Looks like we have a breakaway, ladies and gentlemen. Here we go! Palakpakan na ang bilang sa ating champion. Dito sa round natin ito. Congratulations! Ito na kami. Yes, sir. Alright, Peter Estrada, Emil Carlos Silvestre, Kenneth Ashley Cruz, Vincent J. Gopalia. Get ready. Marshall, set them up. Excellent race. This is the Eliminator X Series. Congratulations. Asa nahulog, congratulations. May nakatapos ka pa rin. Magaling, magaling, magaling. Okay ka lang, medic?